My base box for BoxyCharm arrived, and I wanted to share with you all what I received. The theme for the month was Refresh. The first item I received is from Pharmacy. This is a hyaluronic acid and plumping serum. The next item is a lip liner and sharpener from Dragon Beauty. The next product is from Earth Harbor. This is a Superfruit Radiance Balm. It smells really good. The next product is from Kinder Beauty, and this is a lip mask. The last item is from Aesthetica. This is a contouring palette. I like that it's magnetic and that it has a guide on where to contour. These are cream contours. Here is everything I received in my base box for BoxyCharm for the month of January. I really do like almost all the items. There's only like 2 I will just give away. Not bad for $25. You could definitely get your money's worth and more. Down below is a link if you guys would like to get BoxyCharm. And let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.